Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to hide online on Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Facebook app. Okay, then choose your Facebook profile. Okay, then tap on menu option. Scroll down, click on settings and privacy. Okay, tap on settings, then tap on search bar, search on active status. Okay, then tap on active status. This option is on. Just click, then turn off active status to hide online on Facebook. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.